Hey guys, John from j&jautowrecking here with our test video of LLVW219. This is our 1990 Volkswagen Doka Transporter Magnum. We saw this unit come across the local Copart auction. Myself being an ex-Volkswagen guy and a couple of the other guys here, we basically had to have it just as eye candy. These things are flipping cool. Unfortunately, this one is just a little bit too rough to fix. As you guys can see, she took a rollover. You're never going to find a cab to fix this thing, so unfortunately we have to just send this one off to its new home in the graveyard. Smooth running 2100cc motor here, a little bit of lifter tick. I'm told these are mechanical lifters. I don't really know, so don't quote me on that. Might just need a valve lash. Let's go ahead and latch this. Hold on, guys. You can watch me struggle. Here. Imagine bringing this thing home to your wife. Oh, got it. All right. Hold on, bear with me here. See, one-handed, got it. She's a little twisted from being wrecked, but she still gets the job done. Go Volkswagen. I mean, checking this thing out, it is just very nice condition. Like I said, it was nice enough to be imported, so somebody liked it. We are gonna have just about everything you guys can see in here listed for sale. Front seat, rear seat, not the battery, so I lied. Not the jump box, so I lied, but a period correct Philips radio that's blown out. The most primitive climate control I've ever seen. I thought my Mark II was stripped. This thing is even more stripped. But we've got a heated seats. Weird, man. I love European market cars. We're gonna take an extended test drive of this thing like it was meant to be, so bear with me. Now, something cool about this, look at the amount of play in this shifter. T56, eat your heart out, baby. This thing's got it covered. Let's see if I can't stall it out and get us through the yard here real fast. Oh, parking brake, you dummy. All right, here. We'll do one of these. Oh, and we are off. Yes. Oh. That was not second gear. Oh, I stalled it, guys. Wow, that's embarrassing. I stalled on a hill. This thing doesn't have enough power to miss a gear. All right. Oh. You guys, this is our yard. I'll give you guys a nice little tour of it. Ram Charger. Ooh, got some Via Crosses and a 94X. Let's go this way. I picked a boring road for you guys. I'm sorry, I work here. I should probably know where all the cool cars are. There's an Elante over there and an Ultima S or Sentra SER. I'm sorry. All right, guys, as you can see, we got 237,000 kilometers. I do not know how that converts to miles. One of you mathematicians want to correct me in the comments down below and show me what's up, I'm in. Don't mind the shaky camera work. We are just driving around here. We are taking a safari in the safari truck. Here, let's see what the guys in Dismantle have to say. Hey guys, say hi. Oh, there's Brian. Sorry, Brian. Test video. Well, as always, it looks like I'm in everybody's way. Let me get to a nice parking spot here and we're gonna end this video. Where's as good a place as ever? Here we go. This nice Nissan. Oh, this thing has weird brakes. This thing is touchy. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I gotta find reverse. All right, guys. Let's see if you guys can watch me struggle to find reverse here. Maybe. Ooh, success. All right, well, I found reverse. That was the first time. Literally, there's like 6 takes of this video where I cannot find reverse. All right, guys, I'm gonna shut it down here. We're gonna step outside, but that is gonna wrap it up for LLVW219. I already forgot the stock number. Our 1990 Volkswagen Doka Transporter van. Take one more walk around with this girl. Every piece you guys see on this is listed for sale. All this gate stuff, all these side cubby doors, the flares. If you guys have one of these, we might be your only stop for parts in the United States. I don't think you're gonna find another one of these that somebody is parting out. Guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you're interested in any parts off of this vehicle, go to our website, www.jandjautowrecking.com. Give us a like and follow on Instagram at j&jautowrecking. And if you're watching this YouTube video, guys, please like and subscribe to it. It helps us a lot. Thanks for watching, and we're out.